Hey there, fellow travelers. Are you planning your next adventure? Well, before you hit the road, let's talk about some common travel mistakes you should avoid. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Mistake number 1. Overpacking. We've all been guilty of it. But remember, less is more when it comes to traveling. Mistake number 2. Not having a budget. Going with the flow is great, but having a clear budget will help you enjoy your trip without breaking the bank. Mistake number 3. Overbooking your itinerary. Leave some room for spontaneity, because you never know what hidden gems you might discover along the way. Mistake number 4. Ignoring travel insurance. Accidents happen, and having travel insurance will give you peace of mind in any unforeseen situations. Mistake number 5. Not doing enough research. Make sure to research the local customs, traditions, and general safety precautions of your destination before you go. Avoiding these common travel mistakes will ensure a smoother and more enjoyable trip. So take note, my friends, and travel like a pro. And there you have it, folks. Remember, travel should be about creating amazing memories, not stressing over avoidable mistakes. So, go out there, explore the world, and make the most out of every adventure. Safe travels, and until next time, happy exploring. Don't forget